everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amaris. Today I'm coming to you guys with a hair tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to install bundles and get a ponytail. We've got a frontal on as well. So guys, I got these bundles from Elfinhair. They sent me 24 inches and they look so nice. I've been wearing it for like almost a week now, and I've done like 3 different hairstyles, 3 different curl patterns, put hairspray, and it's still lovely and soft, not crunchy at all. So definitely recommend. So this is the packaging. I've got the hair in here. I'm going to show you guys everything that's inside the box. I filmed that part. I'm going to show you guys everything that's inside the box, what you will receive with your hair. They have wigs, they have bundles, they've got everything you need on their website, so check it out. So make sure you stay, watch the video. Let me know what hairstyle you want to see me do next. Love you guys.
Say what, say what, say what, yeah. Girl, you know what's up. Say what, say what, say what. Girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling, scheming on you and your homie. The very first day of summer, all grown down in a Hummer thing. Hit the park and parlay.
Okay, so guys, I just washed the front of my hair and lightly straightened it just so I can just see what it's going to look like. And then I'm going to put the ponytail at the back like this. It's going to look so nice. I can't wait. The hair is so soft as well, so I'm really excited. And I'm going to do a plait. Let me show you guys what I want to do. Actually, I might insert it in the video. That makes more sense. I want to do like a plait and then curl. So you see the plait at the back.
You and your girls on the ride, play all day, walk on the line. Say what, say what, say what. You know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Ooh, say what, say what, say what. You know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. I'm digging you, I'm feeling you. And you know what's up, baby, on you, and I'm wanting you. So tell me what's up, People find that I'm zoning right around 2 in the morning. Looking fly with the sun that's on. Think I feel a bone coming on. Girl, you got me wide open, waiting all day and I'm hoping. So baby, don't front, like CG, you know what I want. Say what, you know that I like it, baby. Girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Say what, say what, say what, you know that I'm about it.
Nice, this is nice. So, oh guys, look. Oh, it feels so soft. It feels too good.
You know what's up. Say I'm big on you, and I'm wanting you. So tell me what's up.
So guys, she's about to wrap the center, this part. It's got to be sprayed.
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches, I don't get it, you're a starlight. You shouldn't have to feel like that, I never make you feel like that. the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you? What are you so afraid of? Give but you cannot take love. What are you? What are you so afraid of? Darling, give but you cannot take love.
Yeah.
So guys, I got the frontal ponytail and we've added the hair from Elfinhair in the back. It eats, I can't wait to finish. I'm going to curl the back, the end, and curl the front and show you guys my finished look when I get ready later. So hi guys, I am now curling my hair using my curler just to give me like this type of curl at the front of my hair. Yes, it eats. And then I'm gonna curl this. I already curled it previously and look at this wave pattern. I always get body wave hair so that I can curl it and the curls hold. I did this day before yesterday and it's actually still here. And it actually looks like I've done crimps in it, which I really love. Don't know if I should keep it like that or I should curl it again for you guys. I don't know, should I curl it? So I'm going to use this curling wand to add some more curls in it. I think I'm going to just like top up the curls because I like it how it is. Just show you guys how I did it. But this hair is so nice. Okay, the curler is now hot. So what I'm going to do is just take the pieces that are like a little bit frayed and then just curl it and hold it for a couple seconds because I don't want it to be like fully one curls. I want it to just be a wave. Like this. And then I pull it so it has like, when I comb it, it will have a wave. Guys, that's my technique and how I create waves. I just don't keep it for too long and then pull the hair and then I get like a wavy pattern. Just like that.
Greedy, I can't pass it. And everything to get no fast, I don't care.
And just like that, it's done. So guys, this is essential. You need to get this barrel size. I don't know, I think it might be 25mm. I'll check. But it's like a medium small curler and that creates these type of waves. It's easier than getting a crimper as well, so you might as well just get a curler and curl your hair, then get a crimper because you're going to be staying there for a long time. But yeah, this hairstyle is so gorgeous. I love it. I just want to say thank you to Elfinhair for sponsoring me. So as you can see, these bundles curl beautifully. So make sure you check it out. Everything will be in the description down below. Make sure you like, follow and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.